Wonderful people in times of Mizoram, let's have a look on some trending church dress for female. Every girl will absolutely love to wear on Christmas Day. As for male viewers, you may get it for your girlfriend or partner as a Christmas present. Check out latest and stylish designs from Mizoram. While dress seems so important for all, you cannot neglect your body, most importantly your skin. Here, I have collected some simple, but effective tips for your skincare for this approaching winter. Cold, dry air can leave your skin itchy, red, and irritated. Combat dry winter skin with these tips for retaining your skin's natural moisture. Winter can wreak havoc on your skin, making it dry, itchy, and irritated. And it can feel like there's no escape. Cold, blustery conditions outside can leave your skin feeling raw, while indoor heat zaps moisture from the air and from your skin. Even the things that make winter wonderful, such as sitting by a roaring fire, can dry your skin. But there are many simple ways to combat the causes of dry winter skin and help keep your skin feeling moist and supple all season long, including some easy changes to your everyday routine. For example, after taking a not quite so hot shower, blot skin dry and apply a thick moisturizer within a few minutes after bathing to seal the water into the skin. Here are some other tips to keep in mind when it comes to effective winter skincare, so that you can feel your best all winter long. 1. Remember to eat right and stay hydrated. Sometimes when skin is very dry, it can be helped by foods or supplements that contain omega-3 or omega-6 fatty acids, such as fish oil and flaxseed oil. For the most part, however, it is important to help the skin moisturize from the outside. 2. Change out of wet clothes quickly to avoid itchy skin. Wearing wet clothes and shoes can further irritate your skin and cause itchiness. If gloves, socks, and pants become wet, be sure to remove them as soon as possible. 3. Moisturize your skin. Moisturizing is one of the most important steps that one must do to have a glowing skin in winters. It helps in keeping our skin hydrated and makes sure that the skin does not lose its natural oil. You can choose a plethora of natural moisturizers like coconut oil, castor oil, olive oil, buttermilk, cucumbers, et al. 4. Drink water regularly. During winters, we tend to avoid drink water as we feel less dehydrated. However, we lose water from our body in so many ways without realizing. Therefore, it is imperative to load up on water even during cold winter days. Refill your system with water and get a glowing skin without having to worry about dullness anymore. 5. Wash your face with lukewarm water. Hot showers in winters may relax your muscles, but nothing can worse for your skin condition than hot water. It makes your skin dry and flaky. The effects are even more adverse if you have a sensitive skin. We cannot switch to cold water bath, of course, but we can definitely save our facial skin by washing it with lukewarm water. This way you wouldn't feel cold and also wouldn't let natural oil slough off easily from your face. 6. Replenish your skin at night. If you wish to see a healthy skin, you must not forget to replenish it at night when you are resting for about 7 to 8 hours. Indulge in deep moisturizing with oils before you sleep so you can wake up with a beautifully supple skin. These handy tips may help you get through the harsh effects of winter and give you a glowing and happy skin. Pick your cues and get the skin you always dreamt of. Thanks for watching.